Uh-oh, not a monster, just Bounty. But who is going to clean this up? Let's see how it happened.
It rained all night, Tommy. Keep your ball away from that puddle, and keep Bounty out of it too. I just cleaned the whole house. Don't worry, Mom. I'll keep it far away from the mud. Promise!
Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Bounty, not the house.
Bounty, stop! No, not inside! Oh no, the floor! Mom just cleaned this floor!
Mom had been cleaning all morning. She was so tired.
Wait. I threw the ball in the puddle. This is my mess, so I'm cleaning it up. Operation Cleanup starts now! I'll do the corners, Tommy. 2 cleaners are faster than 1. It took a long time. It was very hard work. But they did it, all by themselves.
What the floor is spotless, and Bounty is clean. Who did all this?
It was me, Mom. I threw the ball in the puddle and Bounty got all muddy. But I cleaned it, all of it, because it was my mess. Anybody can make a mess, sweetheart. Cleaning it up yourself, that's what makes me proud of you. Everybody makes a mess sometimes. But if you make the mess, you clean the mess. That's what big kids do.
This was Tommy Learns, the Mud Monster Mess.